Look, if you're building or upgrading a PC right now, you already know the pain. Prices are just brutal. But a brand new memory standard called SPHBM4 was literally just announced, and it could finally end this consumer RAM shortage and crash those prices back down. Let's get into it. So, first off, why exactly is consumer RAM so painfully expensive right now? Well, it honestly all comes down to two increasingly annoying letters: AI. Right, so the real culprit here is HBM. That stands for high bandwidth memory. Because of this massive AI boom we're seeing everywhere, demand for HBM has absolutely skyrocketed. And what this does is it forces manufacturers to literally shift their production away from the normal consumer DDR5 memory that you and I use in our everyday PCs right over to HBM. Simply put, it's just way more profitable for them to make. But here's the crazy part. Making the actual DRAM itself isn't even the problem. According to reports from places like TrendForce and SemiAnalysis, the major limiting factor since 2023 is the complex, ultra-expensive, advanced packaging that's required to actually connect the memory to the AI chip. We're talking about incredibly complex technologies here, like TSMC's CoWoS. And the core reason for that giant bottleneck? The number 1024. You see, standard HBM4 requires an impossibly massive 1024-bit interface. That translates to a ridiculous number of tiny microscopic connections that absolutely mandate that ultra-expensive, slow-to-produce packaging. But hey, we finally have some fantastic news. JEDEC actually just approved the ultimate fix for this. It's a brand new memory standard called SPHBM4, and it is designed to attack this packaging bottleneck directly. Okay, think of standard HBM4 like an impossibly wide highway that basically costs an absolute fortune to build. SPHBM4 comes in and cuts that external interface in half, down to 512 bits. So it's a narrower highway, right? But here's the kicker. It runs those connections 4 times faster. You get to keep all that massive bandwidth, but because you have fewer physical connections, you completely ditch the need for that crazy expensive packaging. So how does this actually play out for the market? Well, cheaper, simpler packaging means we can finally increase the overall HBM supply. And that higher supply, it takes the immense pressure off the entire market, which frees up the manufacturers to finally make more DDR5. And ultimately, that lowers the prices for regular PC builders like us. It's a total win-win. So the crucial point to take away from this quick explainer is really this. AI's insatiable demand isn't just affecting massive supercomputers anymore. It is quietly, fundamentally redesigning the architecture of literally all our everyday tech. So the next time you look at the RAM in your PC, you kind of have to ask yourself, what other invisible forces are shaping the hardware sitting right on your desk?